What's up, everybody? Almost 2 weeks ago, the summer vacation began. So now I can do whatever I want. And of course, 2 weeks ago, so I have been doing some stuff. Let's see. And of course, summer work has begun as well. So, not so much time, but much better than school. We don't got any homework anymore. And yes, what do we see there? Look at that. That's a soft starter. That's a 3-phase soft starter. MOTs. Because I sometimes want to use this ballasted, and I'm using those MOTs for it as well. And you got some resistors, and there's the variac. So that's actually soft starts the variac. And let's close this again. Then up there, that one is the variac contactor switch. So I turn this on. Listen carefully. Sorry, the line wasn't turned on, so I'm going to try it again. Yes, you hear that? There are 2 clicks. The first click was when I turned it on, and that contactor latches. And the next one, the soft starter gets shorted out. So now the variac is at its full voltage and full power. And there's the outlet for it. There's a mains box that's ready to go, and that's the plug. We got the high power output. And of course the 24-pin connector is completed as well. And if we go over here, there you can see that thing, it's not ready yet. That will be like the photonic induction's big boy supply. Almost. Got to be some ballast and stuff in those computers, and some contactors and stuff. And on top here, I want to put my joystick. That it's with actually this joystick that I actually crank up the voltage on the variac. And after that, I want to connect up my PTs. And where is my PTs? I lost them. No, this thing you will see now is absolutely amazing. Have a look. Yes, have a look on this. I made this day, or today. So this is very new. We got 4 insulators. And yes, what do we got under that? Here we got the PTs. They're not connected anywhere. The tube is on the floor. That actually bridge them together. And we have 3-phase connector on the side. So yes, this will be 3-phase, absolutely awesome thing. 3-phase arcs and similar things. Awesome. We got a neutral there, and we got, I'm going to put L1, L2, L3 and the neutral. Because the neutral is actually separated from Earth. So actually bridging them together like that, and up to that insulator, and that up to that one, that to that, and that to that. So this will be absolutely awesome. And over here, we got the tube. Wiring, there's the wiring for that. For the 24-pin connector. And look at that thing! Who the hell got a Tesla coil in the living room? Of course, I got one. Look at that, that's a DRSSTC, dual resonant solid state Tesla coil. Which absolutely not works. That's because it's here. I'm gonna repair it. I built it myself, of course. In my previous school. Look at that. Sorry for that very bad lighting. Let's take out some lights here. Yes, and here it is. There's no circuitry in it yet. We got a big IGBT over there. You can see the capacitor bank on the top there. And this light is absolutely a piece of garbage. And there's some capacitor, so you can see that. A little bit of capacitor over there. And there's some contactors and stuff. And of course the 3-phase connector over there. And yes, here we got it. Massive top load. That's ring on top there is earthed. And that's the primary. Secondary all the way up. And yes, I'm going to put the circuitry in there. I'll show you the capacitors. There we got them. That light is just absolutely a piece of garbage, it's blinking away. And yes, there's a 24-pin connector if you're interested in that. So yes, so a lot of work to do. I'm going to fix this Tesla coil, put some circuitry in it, test it out. In here, of course, with low voltage. I need to connect those PTs together. I'm going to go to the utility company and find some nice high voltage wire to connect these terminals to the insulators. And I'm going to put this primary side in as well. And the connector is here. So I'll put that somewhere here, maybe. It will look nice. And I'm gonna need to fix that one. That would be awesome. And I need to put some relays and stuff inside that. And of course, just maybe solve that. These cables need to be connected. Goes up there to the kitchen. Yes, but almost everything else is working. So there will be some pretty awesome videos to come. Involving PTs, a huge transformer box, a Tesla coil, and an annoyed light. Yes, thanks for watching.